Because usually in this situation, I would start stacking. But now instead of stacking, I was planning on moving to break even and just start trail stopping and holding.
Do you stack?
Usually I do.
So
And
what
then
happened?
the first trade I would move to break even.
Why didn't you stack today?
Because I'm close to passing. I don't want to overtrade.
But you just said you rely on your data not to go to break even because it stops you and goes in your direction. But your data, but the reason you got to where you got to is because your data shows that if you stack, you can get good results. So why are you choosing to listen to one piece of your data, not the other? Because that clearly isn't
Yeah,
your data speaking, then is it? It's your emotions.
yeah, I should have stacked in this one too. And this would have closed me out. I would have passed it this one stack.
Yeah, the thing is, Malcolm, this problem right here becomes a bigger problem, and it only gets amplified the closer you get and the bigger it becomes. So once you
Okay.
pass this, you still have the verification. If you're shitting yourself now, you're going to shit yourself even more then. And then once you pass the verification, it's going to be even worse because now you're close to getting the payout. And then once you get the payout, it's going to get even worse when you start going for the bigger accounts. You've got to nip this in the bud now, bro.
Yeah, I should have stacked in this one now that I look at it. And
Yeah,
now
but
I'm only
it's
making
not about
2%
going
instead of
away. It's
4.
not, yeah, but it's not about going away saying I should have stacked. You've got to go away and think about why you didn't stack. What was the feelings? What was the thoughts that were behind it? You got to resolve them within yourself because if you don't, then how are you going to scale, bro?
Yeah, I hear you, Rock.
Like you got to fear staying in the same position you are more than getting the results that you need. And what is the worst case scenario? The
Just
worst
losing
case,
2%. Because
yeah,
I would have moved the other one to break even.
or you have invested how much? $30, $40, $50 on the challenge?
Yeah,
Yes or no?
small risk for a bigger reward.
Right. If you don't pass, you do what? You just start again, bro. But you have to keep doing the same thing over and over again. This is what variance is. If you
Yes,
keep
sir.
changing the variance of your actions, you're going to get varied results. If you're consistent with your actions, you may you will get a variance of results, but if the way you're approaching the market is working, it will always work out for you. I.e., if you stack this position, would you have passed your challenge?
Yeah, I would have passed my challenge with this one trade.
Right. And then yesterday, selling opportunity or buying up selling opportunity that you took wouldn't even mattered because you didn't have an opportunity to stack. It just didn't work out. We accept the L. We come back, we execute, we stack our position, we pass our challenge. Now you have shown up, followed the process, been consistent, silenced the inner voice that's paralyzing your decision making and your actions, and we just pass because we're doing the same thing. But all this bullshit emotions, and then coming into today, and then carrying that into this trade, and then fearing this and fearing that is the reason why you will stay stagnant. And this doesn't just apply to you, this applies to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Now,
And after yesterday's trade also, it's sort of set about what usually takes, and it started this morning kind of different for me. Because I don't take side by side candles I get. So yesterday I was just supposed to be chilling instead of trading.